Before we dive into the tears, this video is for entertainment and education only. I'm not a therapist, and I'm not saying sobbing cures sadness. Always talk to a mental health professional before trying emotional wellness experiments like this one. What if crying wasn't a breakdown, but a breakthrough? I spent 3 days doing 1 hour of crying therapy each day. Yes, intentionally sobbing. Not watching sad movies, not emotional triggers. Just breathing, releasing, and letting the tears flow. Why? Because some wellness circles swear it helps detox emotions and reset your nervous system. So I tested it for science, curiosity, and maybe just a little drama. Crying therapy is part of a larger wellness movement called somatic release. It's based on the idea that tears are emotional detox, that crying helps unload stress from the body. Supporters say it reduces tension, improves sleep, and reconnects you to your emotional self. No sad playlist required, just breathwork, safety, and space to release. It's raw, it's uncomfortable, and it's kind of magical. I tried 3 1-hour sessions across 3 days. Day 1, just sitting with quiet music and trying to let it happen. Day 2, I added breathwork, slow inhales, deep exhales, and personal journaling. Day 3, full emotional release with affirmations and eye contact in the mirror. I didn't force tears, but I created conditions to let them come. Result? Floodgates opened, like actual hydration loss. There are 3 types of tears: basal, for eye health; reflex, from dust or onions; emotional. Emotional tears contain stress hormones and natural painkillers like leucine. Studies say crying might activate the parasympathetic nervous system, helping your body reset. It's not just sad, it's chemical, cathartic, and maybe even strategic. After 3 days of crying therapy, I slept deeper, my anxiety quieted, I felt weirdly lighter. My face puffed up like a dumpling, but whatever. Was it messy? Yes. Was it healing? Also yes, it felt like spring cleaning but for emotions I'd been hoarding for years. So, is crying therapy worth the emotional hangover? Honestly, yeah. If you create a safe space, stay hydrated, and don't judge the tears, it becomes powerful. Not every wellness trend has to be sparkly. Some are salty and painful and absolutely valid. This one felt real. Are you craving more emotional experiments? Hit subscribe and tap the bell.